In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record your gameplay in Marvel Rivals. So if you want to start making videos of your gameplay, maybe you want to make a montage or you want to start streaming on YouTube, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. Now, the very first thing we need to do is just go and open up an internet browser, and you need to type in OBS Studio and press enter. You can then click on this top website, which is obsproject.com. Now, this is a free application that we can use to go and record and also stream our gameplay. Now, just go and select your operating system from the list. Mine's Windows, so I'm going to click on this. You can then press your downloads in the top right hand side, and you can go and open the OBS Studio installer. Now, from here, you can just go through the steps to install OBS Studio onto your computer. I already have this installed, so I'm simply going to open up the app. Now, once you've opened up OBS Studio, it should look something similar to this. Now, to begin recording, the first thing we need to do is go and click on settings in the bottom right hand side. You can then click on output from the left navigation, make sure the output mode is set to simple, and come down to the recording path. Now, this is where all of your saved videos are going to be saved. So it's a good idea to go and click on browse and select a folder where you want all of your recordings to be saved. You can then scroll down to the recording quality and make sure this is set to high. Then click on video in the left hand side and make sure your base canvas resolution is set to your native monitor screen size. This is typically going to be at 920 by 1080, and you'll also want to make sure the output scaled resolution is the same as your base canvas resolution. You can then press hotkeys in the left hand side. Now, it's a good idea to go and assign a hotkey to this start recording and stop recording. This will just make it much easier to start recording when we're actually in our game. So just click on the plus icon next to each of these items, and then you can go and assign a shortcut key on your keyboard and then just press apply and OK at the bottom of this screen. Now, the next thing you need to do is down in sources, click on the plus icon and click on game capture. Click on OK, and then click on the drop down arrow next to mode. Select capture specific window, click on the drop down arrow next to window, and here is where you need to select Marvel Rivals. Now, if you can't see this in the list, you need to make sure it's running in the background. So you'll need to go over to Steam and launch up Marvel Rivals, and you should be able to just select it from this list here. Now, once you've done that, you can go and press OK, and you should now be able to see this preview window. If you can't add Marvel Rivals using a game capture, you can always press the plus icon again, click on display capture, click on OK, change the capture method to automatic, click on display, and select your monitor. You can then press OK, and this is just going to record everything on your screen, including Marvel Rivals. Now, once you're ready to start recording, we can just press the start recording button at the bottom. Alternatively, you can just use the hotkey that we set up earlier, and this should go and start and stop recording your game. Now, in order to go and find all of your recordings, we can just click on File in the top left-hand side, and you can go and press Show Recordings. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.